Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of Startup Minute, a service of the Lexington office of the Kentucky Innovation Network. My name is Eric Hartman, your Lexington, Kentucky Innovation Network Director. I'm here today on the University of Kentucky campus at the College of Pharmacy building, and I'm here with Chase Kempinski, who is Chief Science Officer of a UK startup called Enepret. So Chase, welcome to Startup Minute.
Thanks, Eric.
So Chase, tell us a little bit about Enepret.
So Enepret is based on technology that was developed here in Dr. Joe Chappell's laboratory at the University of Kentucky's College of Pharmacy, partly by myself, but especially by others before me. Enepret's also interfacing with lots of companies around the Lexington, Kentucky area that are involved in biotech and the ag space. And really what we're trying to do are to produce specialty oils, so a unique chemical class of oils known as triterpenes that are unlike, say, your normal vegetable oils. These oils, because of their unique chemistry, have uses in lots of industries, in pharmaceuticals, as in used in some vaccines, in personal care, where they're used as emollients or bases in creams and lotions. They can also be used as a bio-based lubricant and even as additives to traditional petroleum fuels. Now, the reason that we're interested in producing these is historically the source of this has been shark liver oil, and that's not sustainable due to the volumes required by the industries I mentioned. So in light of that, we've taken the tools of biotechnology and developed fermentable yeast and engineered plants that are capable of producing high amounts of these oils robustly, reliably, and renewably. And we can do this, using our two-pronged approach, where we see our yeast as a good production platform for high value uses like in pharmaceuticals, and the plant platform is more of a higher volume, more of a commodity scale. And what's really interesting is we can not only produce this historical oil that they would get from sharks, but we have a proprietary process to produce unique oils that we believe could be innovated and allow for new market applications of all of these oils.
Great. And I know that you're a recent graduate of the UK Excel program. So UK Excel is a relatively new program that's a partnership between the UK Office of Technology Commercialization, the UK Von Allman Center for Entrepreneurship, and an industry partner, which is Awesome Inc. in downtown Lexington. And the purpose of that program is primarily for startup companies with UK IP to take that technology and to focus on the business aspects of that technology. So Chase, tell us a bit about your experiences with UK Excel and about how the program has benefited Enepret.
So we became acquainted with the idea of customer discovery in the fall of 2016 when we participated in a National Science Foundation I-Corps program that really explored just the personal care applications of our technology. So with UK Excel, which we did in the spring of 2017, we wanted to explore the pharmaceutical potential. And so we did that, and what was really great was that as part of the program, we had these delineated milestones where to explore different aspects of the business application of your science, which is really important for someone who really just thinks about the science day to day. To have to put together something that's coherent for a non-scientific audience that really focuses on just the commercialization is really beneficial to understand the market potential of what you've been working on.
I am like many UK academics, where I always have a desire to see our basic science translated to society for commercialization and social benefit. And it's that's a long, arduous path that we all appreciate, but we benefit here at UK by having things like the UK Excel and the Von Allman Center, which really encourage us to think about entrepreneurial activities in terms of translating our technology out of the surrounding UK walls and out to society as a whole. We have been very pleased to participate in a number of activities with both the Excel program and the Von Allman Center, and that has really allowed us to manifest Enepret, our latest startup enterprise, which Chase Kempinski is the Chief Scientific Officer of.
All right, so Chase, if someone wants to learn more about Enepret, what's the best way to do that?
They can reach me at chase.kempinski@enepret.com.
All right, well, thank you for being on Startup Minute today, and I'll give you the last word.
Thanks, Eric. It's been fun. I am Kentucky Innovation.